Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to withdraw money from BlockDag. Here is a step-by-step guide on how to withdraw your earnings from the BlockDag. First of all, open your BlockDag applications and go to the wallet or balance section. Choose withdraw, cash out or a similar option. And now you can select your withdrawal method. You can have the first one, which is crypto transfer. The second one is fiat withdrawal. Enter the amount you want to withdraw. Confirm details and fees. Fees may apply depending on the currency and network. Authenticate the withdrawal using OTP or email or confirmation. Wait for processing. Crypto withdrawal take a few minutes to several hours, and fiat transfers vary by provider. You will receive your funds in your external wallet or bank account after all those process. That's all for this video. If you found it helpful, like it and subscribe.